Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to draw shapes in Canva. So this can be really useful if you're creating a logo or a new sort of design for your website or product. So before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So from your Canva homepage, I'm going to click on Create. And we need to click on the type of design you want to create. Just for this tutorial, I'm going to click on custom size and choose any size just to show you the drawing tool. So once you have your design open, look over to the left and click on the tab that says Tools. So here is where you can find the drawing tool. So I'm going to click on that, and then you have different options. You can choose like a pen, a marker, a thick marker, and then you have the eraser. Then below that you have the ability to change the color of all of those. So the pen gives you a little bit of a slimmer line. So there we go. I'm going to draw my square. Obviously, if you don't like something, I can either use the back button or the eraser. So it's really easy just to go back. And marker, going to click on. So there's my circle. And obviously, I can use the eraser if I don't like that. And the third one is a bit of a thicker marker. It gives you a bit of a thicker line. So once you've drawn your shape and you're happy with that, give it a title and then you can download it. So by clicking on the top right, share and download it in the file type that you want. So the different options you have is JPEG, PNG, PDF. So choose one of those and download it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.